He was only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West.
Each morning they rode out together, while the cowboys looked all in dismay. For he rounded up cattle while riding side saddle, because he was funny that way. Woo-hoo!
He was only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West.
He was only a lavender cowboy. All the rest of the cowboys would tease, la 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 la. So he went on a bender and shot the bartender, who smiled when he said, "Bacardi Coke, please, no ice." He was
Only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West.
Now the posse, they went out to get him, or to bring him back dead or alive. But they knew while they went, they were hot on the scent by the smell of Chanel number 5.
He was only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West.
Now the posse, they had him surrounded, while the sheriff stepped forward and said, "Hold on, I'm a-comin' to get you." "Oh, lovely, I'll let you," the lavender cowboy replied.
He was only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West.
Now the sheriff, he drew out his 6-gun, and with his aim he could not miss. But the hero was quicker, and as quick as a flicker, he threw the brave sheriff a kiss.
He was only a lavender cowboy, only 3 hairs on his chest, and he rode on a filly called Daffodil Dilly, the sexiest horse in the West. He was only